To prepare oat milk, soak the oats in 3 parts water. The same process is needed if you're making any nut milk, as this will soften the nut to make it easier to blend later. At the soaking step, to make your milk sweeter, add dates or any other type of sweetener of your choice. Leave the closed jars in the fridge for up to 12 hours. To prepare quinoa milk, boil some water in a pot, then add the quinoa and lower the heat to medium. Simmer the quinoa until it's well cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes. To blitz it later easier, overcook it slightly. Once the quinoa is cooked, strain it and cool it down. Measure your quinoa and add 3 parts water. Add it to a jug blender and add the sweetener of your choice, in our case dates, and blend very well for a few minutes. Taste the flavor. If it's needed, add more dates or sweetener, and in our case we'll add cocoa powder to make it more tastier. Other flavor you can add is cinnamon, but just please be careful and add a little bit at a time, as you cannot take it out later and it's gonna be overpowdering the milk. So please be aware how much you put into the milk. Next step, once you've blitzed everything, is to strain through a fine mesh. The finer the mesh you use, the finer the flavor and the texture will be. So it's up to you how smooth you want your milk. For the almond milk, once your nuts have been soaked, they are ready to be blitzed. Drain the water from them, add them to a jug blender and add fresh 3 parts water and blitz until smooth, as we've shown in the quinoa milk. Again, check the sweetness, add more if you need, strain through a fine mesh and you're ready to go. The almonds leftovers you can dry in the oven and use as almond flour and prepare some cookies with it. They'll become beautiful, so don't throw it away. For the oat milk, just repeat the steps we've already explained. Drain the water from the oats, put them in a jug blender, add 3 parts water, blitz, check the flavor and strain through a fine mesh. In this way you can prepare nut milk from any nut you want. This way you can control the ingredients that goes into the milk, as mostly into the store-bought milks they'll use some starches and preservatives and added flavors. So this is a great way to make a good proper nut milk. Store the milks in the fridge for up to 7 days. And a quick reminder guys, that following us with the bell button, subscribing to the channel, liking, sharing this video and commenting down below, it's a big help for us and help us grow and go to more audience, and this way we can produce more videos. So please consider, and we hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.